Amazing slow cooker whole roast chicken recipe. This slow cooker whole roast chicken is simply amazing. I know, many people say a full slow cooker chicken can't look and taste as good as in the oven. Rinse the chicken and pat it dry with a kitchen towel. Place half a lemon and 5 garlic cloves into chicken's cavity, will give a wonderful taste. Prepare the rub, see video and ingredients on page 2. Rub it with olive oil. Have a little water in the bottom of the pot, make sure that you put the slow cooker on high before. It will prevent the chicken to be dry. Add onions and veggies. Put your rub on the top and give it a gentle and even rubbing. Place the remaining veggies around it and cover. Set on high for 4.5 hours. Or 8 hours on low setting, which is the preferred option. Look at this. Nobody would believe it was done in a slow cooker. Remove it from the pot. Cover it with aluminum foil and let it rest for 10 minutes. In the meantime we'll prepare the gravy. Remove veggies and extract all the liquid in a pan. Add some thickener and let it simmer for a few minutes until you get a wonderful gravy. Time to cut chicken. It is perfectly cooked and smelling great. Serve it with potatoes or with your preferred side dishes. You see, it wasn't difficult. Now, it's your turn. Enjoy and share.